This is City Field right here. I'm gonna get my exhaust done. This has changed so much. Because this is Shea Stadium. This should be mad shots over here. They love everything. Shit over here. That's a tall. No areas of this shit. Call this. If you guys want your cars done, come to this spot right here, Jamaica Ave. Shea Stadium. These guys is official. Topping it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming off. The resonator and the rear secondary caps. All right. Nice, I'm making my pipes. Really nice. X pipe right there. So we're gonna go low cat to the H pipe. It should look crazy. Sound even crazier. Beautiful. Oh, it's on now. All done. Next pipe. Secondary catalytic. Beautiful job.
We cut off the stock resonator and put an X pipe in it and deleted the secondary cats. So here's the cool start.
Alright, man, I'm on my way to the muffler shop. This is my second time back at the muffler shop. These niggas here, they do real good work. They put fucking an X pipe on my joint, on my Mercedes. It's a CLS. It's a 2006 CLS 500. You know, a little V8 joint. I bought it. It's been in the family for a long time. I done had this for a long time. I bought this shit at $40,000. 4 years old. It was like 4 years old. I bought it for 40 grand. It was like $88,000 brand new out the showroom. I was never going to pay that for this, even though I love the car. When I purchased it, it had a fucking body kit on it. It had the Lawrence body kit. That's a $10,000 body kit itself. Lawrence exhaust. Pretty quiet. It was still super quiet because, you know, it's a luxury car. It ain't really supposed to growl like a Camaro or nothing. You know, shout out to the Camaro in front of me. But anyway, But what I've done to it so far is, you know, I took the stock resonator off, and I put in an X pipe in it. You know, I got a little video clips of that. I'll put that in to show you guys. And what else I do? Oh, I deleted the secondary catalytic converter. So I had them cut it all off in one piece, just in case I wanted to put it back. It was still good, so there was no need to cut it all off. So as y'all can see, I'm approaching Jamaica Ave, so I still got a ways to go. I'm gonna put this phone down before my PD pull me over or something. You know what I mean? So you know, this shit is fun to drive with two hands. It's hard to drive holding the phone on top of the steering wheel like this. So when I get to the muffler shop, I'm gonna have this nigga either cut. There's another set of resonators on this bitch, and it's a fucking, you know, a set of the Lawrence and mufflers. So the Lawrence muffler system came with a second set of resonators on it with the mufflers. So not only did it have the stock resonators on it, it also had a second set of resonators on it with the mufflers on it. So it was super quiet. It was super quiet. It was speedy. It was peppy. But since I cut the resonator off and put the X pipe on, I could feel more response out of it. I can feel it. I don't know when niggas say you don't feel the power or nothing. I can feel a little more responsive. I don't know if it's breathing better or what. So I'm gonna get some new air filters too, because it's about time to change those. I gave it a tune-up not too long ago. I'll put all of that on my channel. You guys check my channel, subscribe, share it, like the video so I can get up there, get monetized. I'm trying to work my way up to 1,000 subscribers by August. August is my birthday, so let's see. Let me see if I can get some help from you guys. With 1,000 subscribers by August. My birthday's on the 18th. So we're gonna see. Let me concentrate. I'm almost there. I'm not almost there, but you know, traffic is funky. So I'll shoot y'all. I hit back when I get to the muffler shop. Alright y'all, I'm back here at the muffler shop. See everything is good. Uh-oh, almost got hit by a truck. I watch these niggas. This is that good shit. And once that shit done, come over here in Flushing. Right over here by Shea Stadium. City Field, whatever you want to call it. It's right across the street. That's what it look like. Shit over there no more. That's my beast right there. That's my 06 CLS 500 coupe photo. Custom liquid wrap. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, liquid wrap. This guy's took about 10 minutes. Get in a minute. Give me a nice screenshot. We in, everybody. It's called sour lava. It's a liquid wrap. Yeah, depending on the sun, it change colors. It's a spray on, you peel it off when you're tired of it.
Really? Nah, you said.
Yeah, it's a spray on.
Wow.
I sprayed it in my backyard in the garage.
That is so cool. That's like
A lot of people don't know too much about it, but it's almost like the vinyl wrap.
Yeah.
But instead of, you know, spending all that money, like this little kit cost me probably about $600.
Really?
And then and then it's just labor after that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I did it all myself, so you know. But I do body work and stuff like that, yeah, at the house and you know at the shop.
Really?
But I did this at the house. So. Alright, top muffler is cut. Number one. There go two. Sit there next to my coffee. Sound awesome. This is gonna be crazy. Alright, YouTube, I'll be back. So the work we did so far. The resonator deleted, the X pipe, the secondary catalytic converter deleted. Shit. Alright, let's get it. We fight out the ass.
See all these cars will stay over here, makes me jealous.
Here's official. The world is bananas. There we go. Perfect. Alright, y'all. We're gonna have to make some moves. 235. That's CLS. Finish this vlog anyway, so we're gonna finish it like this. Get y'all a cold start on the Benz. Shots possibly. 35. Alright, let's be out. I gotta watch this shit. I gotta watch both of them. But the weather's been shitty out here, so if the sun is out, it's gonna rain in a few hours. So fuck it. Alright, we out.